The President of the Association of African Private Universities AAPU, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has appointed Dr. Salihu Momodu as the Deputy Secretary General of the association. The appointment letter was presented to Dr. Momodu on Saturday, the 16th of September 2023 by Professor Gwarzo at the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano. Recall that the association had recently appointed Professor Abubakar Sadiq as its Secretary General. In a remark shortly after presenting the letter, Professor Gwarzo described the appointment as a well-deserved one in the view of the appointee's wealth of experience in the academia and internationalization. Professor Gwarzo used the occasion to reiterate the commitment to committing adequate resources with a view to promoting research, culture, and knowledge generation among member institutions. According to him, AAPU was established to promote networking and experience sharing in teaching and learning, in addition to designing a common vision for African higher education. He reminded the new appointee on the importance of teamwork in the discharge of his official duties so as to move the association forward. Responding, Dr. Momodu, who expressed appreciation for the confidence reposed in him by Professor Gwarzo, also gave assurance of his readiness to contribute his own quota towards the development of the association. Among the management staff of MAAUN that graced the occasion were the President, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Director Founder's Office Dr. Aliyu Maringa, and Director Linkages and Collaboration Dr. Bala Muhammad Tukur, among others.